bit of an up and down day here at round 2 of the Supercross. Got third in my heat, which was really good. Led a bunch of laps. In the main, just got caught up in a bit of carnage in the first 2 corners, and you know, I was way back in the pack. Ended up getting my way through to 6th, so you know, pretty happy with that. I mean, I was definitely ready to finish a bit higher up than that this round, but always next round.
Just wrapped up here at Coolum Beach for round 2 of the Australian Supercross Championship, and oh man, what a weekend. The weather's held off for us, and we've went 2 in a row now, so pretty pumped on it, and just massive shout out to the whole team. Thank you to everybody, my wife, my daughter, and it was a tough one. I really had to work for today, and we made it happen, so looking forward to the next few weekends, and we'll keep chipping away at it.
Pretty good day here at the round 2 of Supercross. Came away with 2nd overall in the main, so you know, much better than the last round, and we're moving forward. You know, I got a pretty bad heat race, so really bad gate pick for the main. I went right outside, and my YZF 250 got me out right up front off the start straight away. So you know, I was hanging around in the top 3 sort of the whole race and held on, like swapped places with a few of the boys, but ended up coming and crossing the line in 3rd, which I'm pretty happy about, and we'll keep working forward.